It's been recording, so you can start whenever you want.
Okay.
How do you like the light?
I don't know, I can't see.
Oh, yeah. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay. Do I have anything in my teeth?
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox this very special box. I just received it today.
The battery's flashing, is that alright?
Sure. It's gonna die, but yeah, I just wanted to share this moment with all of you because thanks to you guys, I have this. This would obviously not be possible if it weren't for you guys. So I would like to thank you guys so much and unbox it with you guys. It's
So how do you feel?
I don't know, I'm feeling nervous. I don't know why. And excited, of course, because I thought it would, take years for me to get this, but you guys made it possible for me to get it sooner. So yeah, I'm gonna, or do you have a knife? Scissors? No, I got it. Okay. So I got this kind of around 1-ish, but my husband was at work and I wanted to, look, I'm shaking. I wanted to open it with him here. He's the one recording, by the way.
What's up? Finally.
I know. Damn it.
What the hell is that?
I'm excited.
I've never heard those noises come out of your mouth before.
I think it would be easier if I get scissors.
Okay, wait, lay it down, dude. Everyone has to see. Wait, hold on. Alright, go for it, dude.
Alright.
Oh, that's it. This is what you were screaming about.
Okay, you ready? Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, you gotta read that.
Oh, congratulations on your subscribe.
Dude, you gotta read it.
Well,
Read
okay.
it.
Well, I'm bad at reading, but here it goes.
You want me to read it?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a nice little thick paper.
Yeah.
Just so they can pause it. So it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators. Let me try that again. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. Yeah, you do, actually. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. That too. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Woo! Susan, I don't even want to try to pronounce her last name because it's very challenging to say. But thank you.
Congratulations
for this letter.
on your. Oh yes, thank you, Susan.
Like she's gonna see that. She's a CEO
Hey, you
of
never
YouTube.
know.
We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with care by. God damn it! This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. If your award was damaged during any shipping or it's crazy how much you mess up with the camera. That's so weird, dude.
Imagine
because I
me.
usually am a good reader with no mistakes.
I know. Yeah, he is. I'm not.
If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at a confidential email.
Okay, can I open
it
now?
Open it.
Wow. And you said it's different, right? From
it used
the first
to be
ones?
a glass frame. The silver frame around it used to be see-through, transparent, but now...
My name. We're passing 100,000 subscribers.
Can you believe that?
It's crazy.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Hold it up.
How do I hold it?
Stupid. No.
Woo!
Hold it like, don't be weird. What about hold the camera like this, dude?
Okay, babe. It's mine.
It's yours.
So yeah, I still think it's crazy that I have this. I reached 100,000 subscribers, and just thinking about it, like 100,000. Well, now it's what, 116,000.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a lot of people. I still can't believe a lot of you guys like really support me and show me the love, and like in every video and just everything. It really means a lot.
Just another example of anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Not saying she's at the top of the YouTube game, but she literally started with her cell phone taking pictures on Instagram.
Yeah.
With horrible quality. She really worked her butt off. Long nights, her staying up past midnight. Those of you who make videos know how hard it is and time consuming it is, and she would redo a whole video after she rendered it if she found one little mistake. That just shows the passion that someone has for it, because a normal person wouldn't do all that type of stuff. Being consistent is probably the main key to being successful on any platform or anything in life. Just consistency and actually having a passion for what you do can result in great rewards and recognition and everything else that comes with it. So I'm really proud of you, babe.
Thank you. And it did help a lot having my husband's support. At one point I was just going to quit, like give up, because I didn't really see like the point. My husband was always there to like cheer me on, and you know, he was there, well, obviously he was there since day one, since I started, and he was always like, you know, telling me that I can do it, and I did. I mean, we're here with this plaque, and it's all thanks to you guys, because I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you guys. So.
All 116,000. That's it. Time to frame it up or hang it up.
Now you guys will see this in the rest of my videos, because I'm gonna have it in the background. Beautification by Marta. I don't know if you guys know, but he's the one that came up with like the name for my Instagram and my YouTube channel, because I had no idea. He's like, why don't you do Beautification by Marta? And I did. So this was all his idea.
Yeah, that's my idea.
Ok, les iba a poner subtítulos, pero al último minuto decidí decirles así. Ya es bien noche, no sé ni qué horas son, estoy bien despeinada, me maquillé los labios de más y se me está cayendo una pestaña. Pero bueno, como dije en inglés, nomás les quiero dar las gracias por su apoyo, porque no hubiera llegado en donde estoy ahorita si no fuera por ustedes. Les quisiera dar un abrazote a cada uno de ustedes. Me da mucho gusto sus lindos comentarios, y aquí en YouTube y en Instagram. Cada día quiero saber qué es lo que piensan de mis videos, y cada día quiero mejorar más. Su opinión, sus comentarios, su apoyo significa mucho para mí. Y les quiero dar las gracias por eso, especialmente a mi familia. ¡Mua! Los quiero con todo mi corazón. Ya me manché. Y pues a ver qué sigue de aquí. Ustedes me inspiran todos los días. Y no sé cuántas veces les puedo decir eso, pero muchísimas gracias.